Hi fellas, this is Faisal here, and I have been designated as a reseller for Blue Whale's WhatsApp sender. Now I'll go through different aspects of Blue Whales one by one, and in the process I'll let you know how we use it and how best to use WhatsApp sender for your sales and prospecting purpose. Now what we'll do, we'll go to the website first and we'll go to bluewheels.in. First of all, I'll demonstrate to you how we would sign up. Okay, we'll sign up Faisal Gilani, my name, then username XYZ, email address faisal.gilani@yahoo.com, then I'll assign a password ABC@2024, ABC@2024. Okay, and the time zone, we'll select the one that we are residing for the country we are residing in, and I'll select Asia and Dubai since I'm residing in Dubai at the moment. So we'll go for this Dubai, Asia and Dubai. We'll just find it out over here. Just for saving the time, I have selected Asia, Karachi at the moment. Accept, and we'll log in. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, I'll log in, and this is the interface that we'll get. Now look, for this we can have different multiple WhatsApp logins. I'll just give you a demo. We'll add account, and we'll have, just for your demo purpose, just for your eyes, I'll log in two of my WhatsApp. So one WhatsApp is being logged in. Okay, and I'll add another one, WhatsApp, add account, and I'll add another one just to let you know that we can have multiple WhatsApp login on this application. This makes it a very powerful tool. Now you can have multiple logins on this, and you can set multiple campaigns. So multiple campaigns can be set, and we can broadcast at the same time. Look, we cannot offer it to very large businesses because it is still like custom made WhatsApp API, and it's not actually WhatsApp approved, and we'll use some loopholes, and that's why, look, end of the day, that's why it would prove to be cheap. Since WhatsApp approved API, it will be per messaging cost, and for this you have to pay only a certain amount for standard, premium, or entrepreneur access, and that's it, and you will use your own WhatsApp. As I have told you, the yearly subscription is cheap, and when you are interested, you can contact me on WhatsApp, on my WhatsApp, plus 97158510342. So you can note down my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp to contact and take details. Plus 97158510342. Okay, you can write it down somewhere, and you can contact me anytime. And if you are residing in Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Dubai, anywhere in UAE, you can call me also. Okay, once the campaign is set, you can set automated messages. So look, when you have, I'll let you know how we'll set the campaign, how we'll upload the contacts and everything. Then you can send automated messages. It will be sent automated and without your interference later on. You would, by that time when you have started your campaign, you would have specified the time frame. Each messages would have a gap of time each messages would have, and everything. So it will be all automated, and it will be, you will be having a peace of mind, and you can carry out your other works. You don't have to put in one by one numbers in your mobile and send each individual the messages. That's why it is very useful. Now how to use this powerful tool. You have to go in a certain way. You have to follow a procedure of using this. I'll let you know. First of all, go to this WhatsApp icon and select contacts. Now over here, in order to add contacts with a certain header, add new contacts, AB. Now we'll say contacts for campaign MR Properties new launch. Okay, we have created this header. Okay, and in order to upload the contact, we'll go over here, and to get the contact, we'll do import, and I'll show you the Excel aspect, how we have to set all of it. First of all, we'll download this template. Okay, I have downloaded this template, and I'll paste it over here. Okay, this is the template, and here you have to specify the phone number. If in case you want to specify name or other parameters, that is fine, but phone number is enough. Now I'll let you know how we go about specifying contacts. For this, I'll just take a streak of numbers from here, and I'll set the numbers in a particular format and let you know how it would work. I'll just use 5-6 numbers just to show how we would set it, and it is upon you how you would use later on, how many numbers you put in and how you would use later on. So these, to remove redundant or duplicate numbers, I'll go for highlight duplicates. I'll remove the duplicates, and the duplicates are removed. Okay,